How you going, guys? Sammy here. Now today I'm going to show you how to properly dispatch and bleed a fish. Now a bit of viewer discretion advice here, there will be a bit of blood, but this is the correct way to do it to make sure you get some prime eating fish. So we've got a lovely snapper here, he's volunteered to be the candidate, and this is how you do it. So it's using what's called the Ikejime method. You want to find his brain first, so his brain is up behind his eye. You'll find there's a bit of soft bit of meat there. Get your knife, be careful with your fingers, and put it in, like so, until he kicks like that. And when he does that little shake, that means you've hit his brain, and he's now brain dead, so he's not going to feel any pain, he's no longer suffering. Now the next step is you want to bleed it. So you see inside his gills there, that's where all his heart and blood is. So you don't have to cut here, there's no actual blood in there, that's all meat. You want to get your knife and stick it in here and cut all the way up till it stops, all the way through. Like that. And you should see blood starting to come out then. Now once you've got him like that, grab your fish, you want to dunk him straight over the side and let that blood drain out. Like so. Now you've got yourself prime table fish, ready to go home and make some family very, very happy. That's the best way to preserve your meat and keep it in tip-top condition. Alright guys, I'm going to try and catch another one.